Okay, hello. Welcome to Computer Fundamentals Session 1, run by X Factor RTO. So I'll be your facilitator today. My name's Tim. And just before we get started, just like to run through a few safety protocols and things just to keep you comfortable while we do this session. As you can see on the screen, we're talking about maintaining good posture while you use your PC. So make sure you've adjusted your seat, monitor, keyboard are in a comfortable position that you're not going to feel any discomfort while using, and you can sit there for half an hour and do your work. And if anyone needs a little break, just shout out and we'll break. So yes, right, let's break the ice a little bit. My name's Tim, as I said, and if you could just say your name. I know it's a one-on-one at the moment, but still, if you could tell me your name and just something about yourself that not many people know. For example, me, a rugby player, ex-Royal Navy, I would like to go to see the ballet, and I would like to go and see the opera. Corey?
I'd like to jump out of a plane.
Excellent, brave woman, brave lady. Okay, the learning outcomes today. At the end of this session, you'll be familiar with your computer. You'll be able to create and name folders using naming conventions. You'll be able to rename and move folders and subfolders, and you'll be able to locate and open documents and applications, and you will understand the function of computers and their key components. So the session's going to take this, will be structured in this manner. We're going to discuss the importance and benefits of having basic computer skills. We are going to identify the important components of the computer and what they do. And we're going to demonstrate how to perform basic computer tasks, and you're going to have some hands-on activities to practice the basic computer tasks. And then at the end we'll have a very short knowledge quiz just to see how you're going and you're taking the stuff on board, and that will end the session. So, what are the benefits of having basic computer skills? Obviously, in this ever-changing world, we'll be keeping up with changing technology. As your company would like, it will increase your productivity. And from a green look side of things, it will minimise the use of paper-based products. And it will reduce the need for physical storage space. And we'll be storing personal info like photos and files. And as we all know in this modern day, online banking and shopping. And you'll be learning how to keep receipts electronically for tax time. Also very important. But most important of all, being able to find your files again. So, where can your basic computer skills be used? These days, basic computer skills are required in almost every workplace. Having these skills will allow you to be more flexible in the workplace. And with constantly changing technology, having basic computing skills will assist you with the things you need to do in your everyday life. It's a win-win situation. What are the key components of the computer system? Let's look at some of the components and make the computer work and allow you to interact with it. So firstly, we've got the central processing unit. Then the ones that you will visually see straight up when you get involved with your computer: the keyboard, the mouse, the monitor. Right, the central processing unit. It's the brains of the computer. It's responsible for processing data, does all the work and calculations in a device based on user commands. The keyboard. The keyboard allows for data to be input into the computer. The computer allows the user to input alpha data, i.e. letters, or numeric data, i.e. numbers. The mouse. The computer mouse allows you to navigate and interact with the computer. The mouse allows the user to locate and open files and applications, select and change different computer settings. The monitor. Now the monitor allows you to see data contained within the computer. Okay, let me just go back slightly for that one. The monitor allows you to see data contained within the computer. The monitor allows a user to A, see data and files stored in the computer, B, see images and text, and C, visually interact with computer data. Okay, creating folders and subfolders. File management on your computer is an important skill to have because A, it helps keep your computer tidy. B, makes it easy to find files when you need them. And C, allows you to keep your files in different groups for different purposes, e.g. holiday photos. So what we're talking about here is a digital filing system. Creating folders, it's easy to do. Let's give it a whirl. Okay. You've opened up your program. First thing is right click with your mouse in the location where you want to make a folder. So we're in your desktop home screen. Yeah. Yes, happy with that? So your menu will drop down. From the menu that appears, navigate down that to select New. Another menu will appear. From that next menu that appears, you will choose Folder. How are we going with that? Yeah. A folder icon will appear with the default name New Folder highlighted. While still highlighted, type the name you want for the folder, then click anywhere with your mouse to lock it in. You've now created and named your new folder. Wasn't too bad, was it?
No.
Right, next one, creating subfolders. Subfolders are folders that are inside other folders, just like your filing cabinet, as previously said. So, open the folder that you want to put subfolders into. So your newly created subfolder, we click on that and open it. Then we right click with your mouse on the blank area inside the folder, as per the screen. And then we follow the same steps for creating the first folder. Simple as that. So sometimes you might want to rename your folders. It's a simple 3-click process. Number 1, click once with your left mouse button to select the folder you want to rename. Click once with your left mouse on the folder name at the bottom. It will become highlighted, and now you can type the new folder name that you want. How are we going with that?
Yeah.
Cool. Click once anywhere with your left mouse button to lock in the new folder name. Happy?
Yeah.
Well done. Okay, launching applications. Launching is just a fancy word that means open an application or program on your computer. Let's launch the Microsoft Word application. So as you can see on the bottom left hand side of your keyboard, the Windows button, click on the Start button located on your computer taskbar. Your menu appears. Scroll through the list of all those applications till you find the word icon. Found it?
Yeah.
Click on the word icon to launch the application, or as we would otherwise say, open the Word application. Now, how to open a document once you've launched Word. There are different ways to open Word documents, but today we will learn how to open a document from within the Word application itself. So, you'll see in the taskbar, File, click File and display the options. A new menu will drop down and you will see Open. Click on Open from the list of options and navigate to the folder where your document is saved. So we're looking for that folder that we've just created. Okay, click on the document to select it and then click Open to open the document into the Word application. Short, sharp and sweet. We'll have a little quiz now just to test the knowledge that we've learned has been retained. So, name some components of the computer.
The mouse, the monitor, the CPU, the RAM and the keyboard.
Excellent. And if we really got into it, we could go into name the SSD, which is a storage solid state drive, or the HDD, which is a hard disk drive. Now, what is a folder?
It's a digital filing system.
Excellent. And what is a subfolder?
It's a folder within a folder.
Well done. Well done, you've been paying attention. Right. Just to recap, every day, everywhere, we're using digital devices. We're learning the basics. And I would conclude that we know that we're not going to be able to do anything without the use of digital. So, importance of basic computer skills, everyday life, everywhere. Same again, computer skills are used in work, at home, for banking, shopping. Even in your car, everything's computerised. We now know the key components of the computer, basic ones: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. we've learned how to create folders and subfolders. So we now have our digital filing system. We've learned how to rename folders within our digital filing system. Then we've learned how to launch applications on the computer such as Word. Once we're in that application, we've learned how to open the files. Thank you for taking part in this training. So, just on some feedback, if you'd like to, what do you think, basically? I would really appreciate if you could share your thoughts with me about the training and the assessment process. What did you enjoy? Was there anything you didn't enjoy? Do you have any other comments for me, Corey?
Did enjoy it. It was useful. Something you can take back and start practicing and getting more organised. Nothing I didn't enjoy. It's pretty straightforward.
Excellent. Well, thanks for your participation, Corey.